Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting and organizing your visual building blocks so you can work fast. Import a high-quality WebM or a numbered PNG sequence into a single project folder and name files clearly so you never lose track. Once done, open Wallpaper Engine, create a new project, and choose the correct resolution and FPS. This affects smoothness and performance. Make sure to pick the output format now, because it changes how you export and which optimization steps you'll apply next. Now assemble layers and animations inside the Wallpaper Engine editor or your authoring tool. Place a static background first, then add midground elements and foregrounds with alpha to create parallax. Animate position and scale with keyframes to simulate depth. If you need interactivity, add mouse or audio bindings and test triggers. Make optimizations as you go, reduce texture sizes, enable level of detail, and compress WebM to balance quality and memory. This middle stage shapes both the look and the runtime performance. Finish by exporting your wallpaper with the chosen format and encoding settings, then install it locally for a full test. Play it for several minutes while monitoring FPS and resource usage so you can spot stutters or memory leaks. If playback is unstable, try a different codec, lower bitrate, or reduce texture resolution. Alternatively, disable complex particle systems and test again. Once it runs smoothly, save a versioned copy and publish or share. One key troubleshooting tip: if stuttering persists, reduce resolution or convert to a more efficient codec to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.